Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is me, Mo the Book Talker, back again with another video. So, guys, I just want to talk about in today's topic why you don't really need to finish a book. Okay, we're going to talk about DNFing a book. Okay, so you know, in the reading community, we've been told by many lies that you have to finish this book or it's not considered reading at all. You didn't really, just because you didn't finish the book doesn't mean you don't read super fast. This is all lies, guys. In the reading community, in the book community, you don't always have to finish a book. Like I said earlier, if you don't really like, if you read a book and if you don't enjoy reading that book, then there's no point for you to really finish the whole book. Just put the book aside and then, time will tell later, okay? So that's my message for today, guys. I hope this helps. Happy reading. Peace.